All right, guys, welcome back to another AMC video. Everyone is getting pretty excited on the stock, and so am I. Seems like a lot of price increases for meme stocks recently. Bed Bath & Beyond and also Party City all going up, and this is also leaking towards the AMC guys as well, with AMC going up 25%. It's pretty good. Now remember, Monday is closed, the market is not open, but we could still talk about a lot of big news because AMC ends up at exactly $5, and this is pretty crazy, and there's a lot of reasons why. And a lot of these massive market makers are playing around with the stock and making a ton of money from the options. AMC is a very low market cap token, but their options are exceptionally expensive. The implied volatility for AMC options is very, very pricey, which makes a lot of suckers or retail traders that play the stock, they buy it. Okay, they feel like, oh wow, massive movements, I can make a lot of money from the options. No, you can't. All right. The implied volatility is so high, they're charging an insane premium. Like, AMC options are probably one of the most overpriced options in all the options market. Okay. Maybe besides Party City and Bed Bath & Beyond, but those guys are crazy too. So with options prices this expensive and being such a low market cap stock, guess what? AMC, they could play with the price however they want. If the max pain is at $4.50, they'll do $4.50. Okay, even Jen Kramer said that before, that they could even make around and set different prices for the stock. And so if you guys are an AMC holder, don't even touch the options. There's no point to, and there's no need to. If you're long on the stock, if it goes 5 to 50, you 10x your money and you should be happy already. The thing about options is you can 10x your money, but that is so dangerous. One bad day and you're probably wiped out. So just be very careful in the options. The majority of options buyers for AMC are losers, and they're losing a lot of their money to the market makers and hedge funds. So don't do that. The worst decision ever. And before we leave, it's $10 a month. Check out the private Discord server. There's a Patreon link below in the description. Connect your Patreon and Discord server. We have a link to a video to help you with that on the Patreon site. And lots of awesome trades. Nearly 15 different traders, options, stocks, crypto, discussions, also different stock data, market info, you name it. Basically like a little mini Bloomberg terminal. See you guys later.